guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christina and I am a mom of 5 kids, and today I want to take you on a little journey with us with the Land of Storybooks. I've shared unboxings for this subscription box, but I haven't really gotten a chance yet to show you guys how we use it in our home, and I'm super excited to take you guys along and show you how it works for our family.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights.
Stories are powerful. They have the power to not only change your children's minds, but their character as well.
It really makes me wonder.
As a mom, it makes me so happy to see them get excited when the box shows up, and they can't wait to see what the book is and the crafts are and the activities that we're going to be doing along with it. In this world with constant flashing, stimulation, our kids are losing the ability to imagine, to create, to wonder. Not only that, but the fast-paced society has made it harder than ever to sit and have meaningful connections with our kids.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Did you know that the average kid between the ages of 8 to 18 spends an average of 7.5 hours a day in front of a screen now? I don't know about you, but I'm not willing to give up that much time with my kids. The Land of Storybooks isn't just giving me crafts and books, it's giving me time. It's giving me connection. I love that the Land of Storybooks doesn't just send any books. These are not just random books, but it includes a rich, beautiful, quality middle grade novel that all of my kids can enjoy. It includes a complete book club adventure guide with activities and recipes.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Stories give children the courage to believe that they too could live great stories with their lives and supply them with the vision to imagine what kind of hero they will be.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
It really makes me happy to see that time of connection between my kids with all of us together, and the Land of Storybooks has really given us that gift to have that time together, that connection, and really just bond over shared stories and time together.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how we utilize the Land of Storybooks subscription box in our home. If you're interested in trying out the Land of Storybooks for yourself, you can click on the link in my bio to the Land of Storybooks, and there's a discount code for you there as well. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help me watch you here on YouTube. Comment down below if you've tried the Land of Storybooks before, or if you're interested in trying it out. If you're new here, introduce yourself down in the comments below. I love to get to know you guys. If you're not already following us over on Instagram, you can follow us there at rooted_homelife. I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos, and until next time, stay rooted.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.